In this video, we're unboxing the 75-piece bit set. The 8 Torx long bits, T20 to T60. The 8 tamper-proof Torx long bits, T20 to T60. The 7 hex long bits, H4 to H12. The 5 spline long bits, M5 to M12. The 8 Torx short bits, T20 to T60. The 8 tamper-proof Torx short bits, T20 to T60. The 7 hex short bits, H4 to H12. The 5 spline short bits, M5 to M12. The 8 serrated short bits, R5 to R14. The 8 serrated long bits, R5 to R14. The third 8th bit adapter. The half-bit adapter. The main purpose of this kit is to pair with various socket wrenches and ratcheting wrench for removing and installing specialty bolts on chassis. Replacing standard sockets. It covers most of the non-Phillips specialty bolts on the vehicle. Short bits fit tight spaces. Long bits can reach into deep holes. For example, bolts deep in the engine bay. Now let's go over how to use the tool. We will use a medium ratcheting wrench and a 10mm wrench for demonstration. We choose the appropriate bit based on the size of the bolts you are removing, then select the correct adapter size based on the bolt size. We are using a 3/8 adapter. Slide the bit directly into the adapter. Press firmly until we hear a click. That means it's installed well. After assembling the bit socket, we use the 3/8 ratcheting wrench, also the medium ratcheting wrench to connect. Then position towards the target fastener and remove it. If the position of removing bolts is in a tight spot, where the socket adapter and ratcheting wrench won't fit, we can also use a 10mm wrench on the bit to remove it. The above demonstration is for instruction. In actual use, please select the appropriate bit based on the bolt size. In vehicle application,